Summer holidays are one of the busiest times of the year at any airport, including Vancouver's International Airport. Screening of passengers and luggage inside the terminal has been a mainstay, but increasingly the worry is also what happens on the entire grounds of an airport.
We put into place a number of additional security measures yesterday in light of the Istanbul events, and not at liberty to tell you what those are. Well, that would give the bad guys some advantage.
There are few visible signs, but the goal is to create as many obstacles as possible for would-be terrorists.
It's about degrees and partitions of security, and the more that you provide or put in the way of the would-be suicide bomber, that makes it difficult for them to get to their objective.
Other countries have taken some extraordinary security measures. Many of them have learned their lesson the hard way. In Moscow in 2011, a suicide bombing in the arrivals terminal killed 37 people. Now travelers go through security checks before they even get to the airport buildings. In 2007, two men in a Jeep packed with propane canisters tried to smash into Glasgow Airport. Concrete barriers prevented them from killing people inside. There are now steel barriers lining the road to prevent similar attacks. Israel's Ben Gurion International Airport is considered one of the safest in the world. Security checks start about 3 kilometers away from the building, and uniformed and plainclothed officers are in constant patrol. There are at least 12 layers of security. Still, there are no guarantees.
You also create new threats and new vulnerabilities where a suicide bomber may even try and attack one of those checkpoints where people are backed up.
So airports are constantly evolving and trying to stay one step ahead of the threats, increasingly foregoing a one-size-fits-all security approach in favor of a more tailored system, depending on the airport and the intelligence gathered by security officials. Meera, Bains, CBC News, Vancouver.